In the vast cosmos of human knowledge, one name shines brighter than most, so Isaac Newton. Join us on a journey as we unravel the fascinating life of the man who changed the course of science forever. Our story begins in the sleepy village of Woolsthorpe, England, in the year 1642. A young boy was born, destined for greatness. Isaac Newton, a curious mind from a young age, found solace under the shade of an apple tree, pondering the mysteries of the universe. His experiments with light and prisms revealed the spectrum of colors hidden within white light, laying the foundation for his groundbreaking work in optics. Despite facing adversity and criticism, Newton's brilliance shone through. His revolutionary ideas challenged the norms of his time, sparking intellectual debates that would echo through the ages.
But Newton was not just a scientist, he was a polymath, delving into mathematics, astronomy, and alchemy with equal fervor. In 1687, Newton unveiled his masterpiece, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, forever altering our understanding of the universe. His laws of motion and universal gravitation laid the groundwork for modern physics. Newton's legacy reverberates across centuries, inspiring generations of scientists and engineers to push the boundaries of human knowledge. So let us remember Sir Isaac Newton, not just as a towering figure in the annals of science, but as a testament to the power of curiosity, perseverance, and the human spirit. In the annals of scientific history, few collaborations have shone as brightly as that of Isaac Newton and Edmund Halley. The story of their celestial collaboration dates the late 17th century, and Isaac Newton, the brilliant polymath, is consumed by his quest to unravel the secrets of the cosmos. Enter Edmund Halley, a fellow astronomer and friend to Newton. Together, they embark on a journey that will forever change our understanding of the heavens. Isaac Newton made immense contributions to the field of physics, particularly in the 17th and 18th centuries. Some of his most significant works include Laws of Motion *. Newton formulated 3 fundamental laws of motion that laid the foundation for classical mechanics. These laws describe the relationship between the motion of an object and the forces acting on it. Universal gravitation *. Newton proposed the law of universal gravitation, which states that every mass attracts every other mass in the universe with a force proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Calculus *. Newton, along with Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, independently developed calculus, a mathematical framework essential for describing rates of change and solving problems in physics and mathematics. Optics *. Newton's work in optics was groundbreaking. He demonstrated that white light is composed of a spectrum of colors and developed the theory of colors. He also built the first practical reflecting telescope, known as the Newtonian telescope. Mechanics *. Newton's work extended beyond his laws of motion and gravitation. He made significant contributions to the study of fluid mechanics, particularly in his book, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy. Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica Principia ***. In his seminal work, Principia, Newton laid out his laws of motion and universal gravitation. This book is one of the most influential scientific works ever published and provided a comprehensive mathematical description of classical mechanics. Kepler's laws ***. Newton used his laws of motion and universal gravitation to derive Kepler's laws of planetary motion, providing a theoretical explanation for the motion of celestial bodies. These contributions revolutionized physics and laid the groundwork for much of classical mechanics and modern physics. Newton's work continues to be studied and revered by physicists worldwide.